Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence technology. From cutting-edge research to real-world applications, AI is transforming industries and shaping the future. So, let's explore the amazing possibilities of AI together. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These machines can analyze data, learn from experience, make decisions, and even interact with humans. At its core, AI is about teaching machines to think and learn like humans. It involves developing algorithms and models that can process data, identify patterns, and make predictions or decisions based on that data. One of the key components of AI is machine learning, where algorithms are trained on large datasets to recognize patterns and make predictions without being explicitly programmed. This allows AI systems to adapt and improve over time. One of the most impactful areas where AI is making a difference is in healthcare. AI is being used to develop advanced medical imaging techniques, predict diseases, personalize treatment plans, and even assist in surgeries.
AI is revolutionizing healthcare by enabling us to diagnose diseases at an early stage, optimize treatment plans, and improve patient outcomes. It's helping us save lives and provide better care.
AI is also transforming the world of finance. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data in real time, detect fraud, optimize investment strategies, and provide personalized financial advice.
AI is changing the way we manage finances and make investment decisions. It's allowing us to make data-driven decisions with greater accuracy and efficiency.
In the transportation industry, AI is driving innovation in self-driving cars, traffic management, and logistics optimization. AI-powered vehicles are becoming more autonomous and efficient, with the potential to reduce accidents and improve transportation systems.
AI is revolutionizing transportation by making vehicles smarter and safer. Self-driving cars have the potential to transform the way we commute, making our roads safer and reducing traffic congestion.